Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Once in a while, we are confronted with decision making. We are challenged with a situation when we should make a major decision. For example, recently the cardinals, in a conclave, were confronted with a decision: who will be the next pope? Who will be the next successor of Peter? And many of us, went to the polling places last Monday, and that is also a big decision. Who are we going to elect as our national and local officials? So, the apostles, the remaining apostles, after the ascension of Jesus to heaven, were also confronted with the decision. We have to find someone who will replace Judas Iscariot. And so they went into the motion. And here, there are two things that stand out. Number one is, and I think that is also should be our guide too, no? Number one is the discernment process. Decision making will always involve, or should always involve, discernment process. And during the discernment process, you have to ask questions. You have to ask difficult questions. You have to ask right questions. So, ang tanong nila ay, sino ang ipapalit natin? At ano ang mga katangiang hahanapin natin sa magiging kapalit ni Judas Iscariote? So similarly, when we are confronted with something that we make decisions about, we have to ask questions. What do I need? What should I do? What are the qualifications or qualities that I will be looking for? Kasama yon sa discernment process. Hindi yung, sige na lang, decide na lang tayo para matapos na. Hindi. Kinakailangan pinag-iisipan. At kasama sa discernment process, yung pagdarasal. I wonder how many of Filipinos who went to the precincts last Monday prayed for their decision, prayed over their choices. Nagdasal kaya tayo noong Lunes at tinanong natin, sino ba ang dapat kong iboto? So discernment process is necessary, and involving in the discernment process is praying. The apostles prayed. They prayed to the Lord. Lord, they prayed to God, guide us, help us in our choice. That is the first, discernment. But the second is as important as the first one, and that is decision. Because some people got stuck in the discernment process. Ang tagal-tagal ng pinag-iisipan. Papasok ba ako sa seminaryo o hindi? Mag-aasawa ba ako o hindi? Ang tagal-tagal ng pinag-uusapan. Ang tagal-tagal ng tinatanong ang sarili. At certain point, you have to stop the discernment and make decision. Discernment, decision. There are two things that are important when we are confronted with challenging situations. What would I do? And then I will do it. My dear brothers and sisters, when you are facing a major decision in life, should I go abroad and work there? should I leave my family here? Should I change career? What course should I take in college? Should I move to another city? Should I get married? Those decisions, hopefully, we take the examples of the apostles. They discerned, they decided. Amen.